Right, I've got a little video to make regarding the audio on these RT95, Retravis RT95, and specifically this is the non-Vox version, so it's got no firmware update. However, I've succeeded in sorting the modulation out on it. So the first thing I tried, as you can see, is I tried to make that hole bigger there, and that didn't work. So the bottom line is, what I ended up doing is I ended up soldering a new microphone in there, and that coupled with the main setting on here in the menu to make it into wide transmission. I'll run through that in a moment. Resolve the issue, but the wide setting on there never resolved it before I changed the microphone in here. So we'll go over to part 2 of the video now. Stand by. Right, so these are the little microphones that you can get. They're literally pennies off of AliExpress. I think I got those. It's been a while ago now. And that just gets soldered into that microphone there. And once you've done that, then you press and hold the function menu. Scroll down to, I think it's number 2 on the menu. Enter that, and you can scroll all the way down to band, which is set on wide. Now that is what you set it to, and when you've done that, you can just PTT out of that. But just a little note: if you've got the band set on here, and you've set that on wide, what will happen next time you turn the radio off, it'll just default to whatever's in the main menu, which took me ages to find out. So as well as having it on the front there, make sure you go through the function button to set it onto wide. It should be narrow on certain frequencies, but these radios are so low on their modulation, it doesn't really seem to matter. So there you go. That's the non-Vox version. Microphone modification, repair, whatever you want to call it. I hope this is of use to somebody. Have a nice one. M6 ZPS from the Micro Shack 73s.